welcome to Vlogtober day 26. Today I'm venturing around Richmond with my best friend Shannon, her son Roman, he's 2, and her husband Bobby. And our first step is to just kind of walk through, I wanted to walk through like the Museum District, Carytown area to show them like really cute houses and the fall decorations. And as you can see behind me, we're here right now in front of this. It's the one-eyed purple people eater. Get it? One-eyed purple house people eater. Do you guys get it? Do you get it?
I get it, I think.
Shannon gets it, she thinks. Bobby doesn't know. Roman, do you get it?
Roman's unsure.
Roman's unsure. Oh, also Shannon is pregnant, in case you guys are wondering.
Yes.
Is it 5 or 6 months? What would you say?
I'm almost 6 months.
Almost
I'm
6.
24 weeks.
24 weeks for those who are weak
do
people.
the math.
Do the math. Roman's really enjoying all the Halloween
Spider.
decorations in Richmond.
He loves that.
He's amazed by it, yeah. It's Ron and Hermione. What do you think? You a Harry Potter fan? No, not a Harry Potter fan. Okay. Oh man, yeah.
Wow.
What do you think? Oh
You
yeah.
have a kitty cat, Roman?
Is it black too?
Yeah.
He's
you have a
obsessed. Popping in Minglewood for a little sweet treat.
kitty. Whoa.
Ooh. Roman is deciding what cake is his. That's yours? You like that one? The chocolate? He likes the double chocolate. What about those little cakes? What about the little cakes right there?
Okay.
Yeah, the green one or the pink one?
I don't know.
You don't like those? No? You want a blue one? Okay. They don't have blue ones today. Roman's into the bunnies. He found a bunny somewhere. Might be the decoration. We're not sure. He's loving it though. We found where the bunnies came from. They came from down here apparently, and he's lining them all up. He's actually living his best life right now with the Minglewood bunnies.
He loves his bunny.
He loves them. We went for the oatmeal cream pie.
Okay, you gonna try it?
Oh, yum. What do you think?
Roman, you didn't even get a bite.
Is the cookie hitting?
Yeah.
I think it's hitting. He's doing dances. What'd you think about the cookie?
I could eat more.
What were you saying about the cookie?
Oh, I haven't had one since those little Debbie, like, packaged ones after, like, a soccer game.
Oh yeah, those were the
Like,
days. Oh yeah.
Because my mom wouldn't buy one.
No way. No, not Carol. No. If you watch the Vlogtober episode where I bake the bread, I refer to my friend whose mom used to bake bread and taught me how. That's Shannon. So this is a full circle moment. So of course her mom would never buy Little Debbie snacks because she was not into that. You make your own stuff and eat fruits and vegetables, which is a good call, really. I mean, Carol, yeah, that's Shannon's mom. She's an inspiration to us all. She is. He's hiding in the door frame. I'm loving this so much.
Jump.
Woo! Big jump. There you go. Whoa! That was a huge jump.
He didn't even hesitate.
He's going again. This is a big deal. This is a big deal
Ready?
here.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! That is quite the jump. That is at least 2 feet. You want her to zip it up?
Say, zip it up,
Yeah.
Mama.
This is zip it up.
It's my coat. It's my coat.
This is your coat, yes.
Yeah, that's his coat, he says. We're doing the usual, guys. Minglewood and now a tiny vegan. My usual stops. Shannon loves exploring vegan options. Also, Bobby went to Sugar and Twine. He's gonna work from there for a bit. So it's just us girls with Roman right now. So we're gonna do some exploring. Maybe even look in Zorch and see what slices of pizza they have. Ooh.
For later.
Maybe for later.
I like it.
Options are endless. Shannon looked in and said, it looks tiny. And I said, well, it is tiny vegan. It is tiny vegan. They were serving breakfast all day. So I got a Messy Boy, which I've never had before. It's like all the breakfast items in a plate, I think. And then we got a Cash Wrap, which is like a Crunchwrap Supreme, but veganized. Shannon and I used to get Crunchwrap Supremes from Taco Bell all the time in high school. So this is reminiscent and nostalgic of us too. So, but vegan version. A tiny vegan cookie. Wow, he's a vlogger yet. Look at him showing it off to the camera even. What do you think? You like it? Yeah, he's in.
Yummy.
He's in. Hi! You want me to go through there and see you? Okay. Whoa.
I want you in here.
Whoa. I see you. Roman is living his best life at Tiny Vegan, I tell you. I don't know if Shannon's living her best life, but Roman is. Okay, she's gonna try a little bitty bite of the crunch wrap. Right? It's accurate. Except instead of the meat, they do lentils.
It's better.
I know, right? Okay,
We're
bye-bye.
gonna go get our bunny.
Bye-bye.
We'll come back.
See you
for
later.
more.
Yeah, I'll see you soon. Shannon's gonna walk Roman around. It's nap time, and maybe he'll fall asleep. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this lunch all by myself. And then she'll be back. So, this is the way to eat it. Hash brown, hot sauce, and just eat it messy, because it's called Messy Boy for a reason. So let's try it. Okay, get out of here. So it's biscuit. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's biscuit, scrambled tofu, sausage, hash brown. Are you kidding me right now? It's like everything you love in a breakfast item. Here we go. We're gonna try it. Whoa. Wow. It's biscuit, vegan sausage, tofu scramble, cheese, gravy, hash brown. It has like a little bit of everything you ever wanted in your breakfast and more. It's delectable. Can't believe I've never had this before. I'm obsessed. Here's the cash wrap. I've tried it many a times. Look at that cross section though. Crunchy, tasty, absolutely delicious. It tastes so much like the Taco Bell one, but like Shannon said, so much better. So flavorful. Oh gosh, and just better, like for you. There was also a brownie today. I've never had her brownies before, but look at that. Looks just like a brownie from childhood. No. It's the best vegan brownie. It's chewy, it's crunchy. It tastes like my childhood favorite brownie. Casey, how'd you make this? Tell me more. I need the recipe. It was so good. It's been fun though, seeing what Richmond's like with a kid, you know what I mean? I've never traveled around Richmond with a child before, but they love it, and it's quite the adventure. Anyway. Look who's back. He's awake. He is awake, but he's kind of sleepy. Maybe not. How's the bunny? You so excited you went back to get the bunny? He couldn't stop talking about this bunny, you guys. And if you want a little Cholula on it, I do love it with that. Shannon's back for the cash wrap.
Except when Roman would have fallen asleep.
Yeah, he's kind of chilling though. That's gonna be a magical bite. Yeah, I know. The brownie was so good too. Want to try it? No. Okay. It's not familiar. I love his arm behind his head, just like chilling status. The breeze and his baby bangs just flying away.
Perfect time for a nappy.
I saw a little yawn there just now. Yeah, so Roman was playing with this bunny earlier at Minglewood, and he would not stop talking about it, so Shannon went back and got it for him. So tonight we're doing something so special and cool. We are headed to the Virginia Museum of History and Culture because they're doing a trick-or-treating event from 5 to 7 p.m. So we've got Roman back here, and he is Sheriff Woody today. So we're gonna trick-or-treat with him, see how it goes. Should be a lot of fun. Roman's having a good time already seeing all the costumes.
Yeah, let's watch out for his tail.
Oh my gosh. He's really interested in this bounce house. Roman was having a blast playing outside, but we finally got him inside, and he's got a few treats and maybe some tricks. Oh yeah, he loves the ball. Yeah, he does. He's getting his crayons. Cool. He also is getting a pen. Wow. So much. Roman took a second to warm up, but he's absolutely loving it now. He's going to every single table and getting his little thing.
Oh, I love your costume. That's one of my favorite movies when I was a kid.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, Roman's getting a lot
very
of
focused on the
compliments
candy.
on his.
The important thing.
Yeah.
Eyes on the prize.
Let's see, he's getting his
There we
pencil.
go. Get a pencil.
There he is.
Happy Halloween.
He has a lot of pencils, doesn't
He says, "Is there
he? Lots of pencils, right? This place is packed. People are loving this. It is a free event.
Yeah.
And you basically go to a bunch of different local businesses have stands here with like bowls of candy for kids to come by. And then they also have things like pencils, stickers, promoting like the
It's
business.
cool that they have more than just candy.
Yeah.
Like much stuff.
I just like how they're promoting the business to the parents, but then the kids get to have like an exciting trick-or-treat experience.
Smart.
Smart, it's genius. Hey. Wow! He just gave Ducky a high five. That's a big deal. That is a big deal. He wouldn't give the dinosaur a high five, but he gave the ducky one.
All right.
Got it down now. He knows. He knows.
Bracelet?
He's getting. Wow, that's cool. He also wants a temporary tattoo. He's getting it all. So right now at the History Museum, they have a Lego exhibit. So we're in there right now. It comes free with the event, I guess. So we'll see how Roman likes Legos. Lucas, did you like Legos growing up?
I really liked Legos growing up.
Yeah.
I feel like they didn't have like such cool designs back
Oh
then.
yeah, it was like more basic
You
maybe.
kind of made what you made.
Yeah, I didn't really like Legos. It was too tedious for me. I liked big things, fast things. Sheriff Woody has found the horses. Are you saying horsey? I think he's saying horsey. I can't tell, but he's enjoying the horses. Oh, now he wants to see something else? Okay. Shannon's pondering the cars.
Scotty and
Wow, little Rolls Royce. Whoa. Wow, Lucas is showing off the truck.
big truck.
Bricks.
He's liking the truck, but I think he likes the train more. There's Legos that are huge, but all Roman cares about is the free bracelet he got earlier. That's all he wants to play with. Bobby's guessing how many Legos is this Titanic made of?
5 million.
5 million? I said 1 million, so I'm probably way off. Okay, let's check. All right, apparently the Titanic was built with 200,000, so Bobby was definitely way off. I was off. Lucas, how many did you guess?
On the bricks?
Yeah, for
I
how
wasn't
many?
involved in the brick guessing. I don't know if I was knew about the game we were playing.
Would you have like guessed 200,000 though?
I probably would have guessed more.
Me too. It looks like way more than that. So that's what's interesting. Looks like Roman is playing games. Roman's loving this like play set thing with like the fake food. He's been playing on it for like 10 minutes. They have this upstairs at the History Museum. Kids love it. Well, hello, and welcome to the next morning. I think this might be a trend for these videos with Shannon and her family, because typically what happens is we end the day with them, and then Lucas and I either have to go to an event, like we had an event last night, or we just go to sleep, apparently. But yeah, we did go to an event last night. That was really fun, and actually I got this shirt. It's an LL Bean vintage shirt. I got it at the event last night. But anyways, it was so much fun taking Roman around trick-or-treating. I loved it. I loved seeing how excited he got about stuff. We took him around the Lego exhibit, and then just walking around Carytown, showing him the Halloween decorations and like that area, and also eating delicious food. Shannon loved Tiny Vegan. Her and I have eaten many meals together, and we typically like the same things. So it was fun to share another meal with her again. And today, in the vlog that you'll see tomorrow, we are going to, I think, the Children's Museum and stuff. So there'll be more Roman fun. This is their last day. In the vlog you'll see tomorrow. But we all had a blast, and I was glad Lucas was able to join us for the trick-or-treating, because he enjoyed also seeing Roman trick-or-treat. It was a whole lot of fun. It's been great having them here. Very nostalgic, very fun. And also, like I said, I haven't really experienced Richmond with a child before, so it's been fun to just see what that's like. Anyway, if you want to catch up on the Vlogtober days 1 through 20 some, I'll have the playlist right here, and if you want to check out some of my Richmond content, I'll have the playlist right there. And I want to thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.